Yes! I'm so gonna win! Where am I? Anybody home? What's in there anyway? Something sparkly, maybe? Looks promising. Maybe it's a necklace. Nope! Not a necklace! I hate snakes! Let's hope for something a little more cuddly in here. I'm scared. Wait! It's a popsicle! Pineapple? Yummers! Things are looking up. Howdy! Wanna play? No! Don't hurt me! I love these! Hashtag horrifying! My snack! You thief! You can't get away with this! Where are we? Dunno. Gimme! Hey! Welcome, friends! Eyes up here! Do I have your attention? Hope you're feeling creative. I was born creative. In fact, I have a great idea. Let's bring on the color. Yuck. Markers? I love markers. Think I can have one? What? Share with you? Rude. So greedy. Yep. Deal with it. I came here to win and have a little fun along the way. Just look at this talent. Man, I'm good. Next up, brown, of course. Ooh, if I don't have markers, I can't do anything. Wait a minute. Can I? Nope. Let's see. Aw, so sweet. Hey, I forgot I left these here. Can I use them? May as well try. And I have the best idea! Just watch and learn, people. Things are about to get 3D. See what I mean? Bring on the glue. And these? I know. Wait! Things are getting steamy! Looking good! Oh! Almost got it! Ta-da! My favorite color! Blue and beautiful! Just look at these gorgeous hues! And I can keep them all in here! The perfect little container! What do you think? I knew you'd love it! Anyone need some orange? Green? Blue? No prob, I've got them all, baby! Let's color! Oh yeah! Hey, looking good over there! Obviously! I'm nearly done! Okay, let's see them, folks! What do we have here?
Oh.
Terrific! And yours? Those are some nice coconuts! Brilliant, in fact! You both win! Oh, goodness!